Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Collingwood local and long-distance movers near me. If it's time to hire a cheap Collingwood moving company, 3 Movers is the right option for you. Our team has helped many different people move across the country or just down the street. Whether it's a local move or a long-distance move, we can make it much easier and safer for you. Let our team take over your move and save a ton of time and energy. When you're ready to handle a long-distance move, you need the right options to make it easier, such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. It's time to move across the country or to the next city over, and you need a moving company. Our team is ready to handle your long-distance move with ease. When you're ready to relocate, let us make it easier for you. With the right Canada Moving Company, you can take care of a local move without any issue. Movers know how to get you packed up and moved, even if it's just down the road, faster. 3 Movers offers the right team of movers to make your local move simple. We know how to streamline your move and make it so simple you'll be glad you hired professionals. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Collingwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.